the number 34. So we will 34 on here. So then I basically take the slide and the otolith. It's not such a big deal in your case, but sometimes I have some that are like fairly recently out of the fish, and what I want to make sure is that the otolith is really dry, because if there's any water in there when you put it in that hot resin, it starts to bubble, and then it can be frothy or whatever. For old otoliths that have been around for years and years, it's probably not a big deal. So then, a big chunk of resin I'm going to try and melt off this tweezers. So I'm going to make a little puddle on the corner of the cover slip there, and I want to make it close to the corner but not so close that it wicks underneath and glues the cover slip down to the slide, but also not so big that it's making a big glob that's going to restrict the size of it. And so of course I'm a lefty, so something like that. So we'll start with kind of just a little drop, and then take our tweezers, otolith, and then I'm going to take my dropper again, and just because this is a pretty good size otolith, just get a little more right over the top, just to ensure that we've got good coverage. And then I'm going to take the slide, and I'm just going to set it on this box to cool. And at this point I could maybe start prepping another one while this is cooling. I try to just cool them sitting in a box in the air and let them cool for a little while. Maybe it's superstition, but I sometimes feel like if I take them from the hot plate directly to the stage here, that that change in temperature can actually crack the otolith. I'm not absolutely certain that that's true, but it's a bit of superstition.